So I took the individual sounds from the whole recording and separated them into different things like birds, thuds and bangs, air compressor. I kind of guessed on what these were sometimes. Nail gun, hammer, sander, and a saw. I put them each in their respective tracks. I basically made an instrument based on these tracks, putting each one of these to a different note on the keyboard. Here's some of the bird sounds. Thuds and bangs. Air compressor. A nail gun. Hammer. A sander. And a saw. And when you play them all together, it's chaos. So I assigned each sound to a different note on the keyboard. It ends up sounding like this.
And that's what our life was for a couple weeks.
But yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, so after Eric made me an instrument out of the construction sounds, he put it on my computer, and it's in my sound library in GarageBand under here. From there, I can easily just play on the keyboard any of those sounds. I chose a weird time signature that I'm not familiar with, a 5/4 time, and I started with this one. Chose to build it slowly, so like each track is maybe just adding a couple new sounds. When I make a song this way, I can easily come down here and move around the notes if I need to if I want to change the note, the sound of the note, or I need to change like the timing of anything. That's what I end up doing to fine tune everything. I come into this window and I make small adjustments. I didn't add any effects to anything and didn't add any other instruments. I had a couple that I thought about adding down here, some synths, but I just decided I liked this version, this exercise, whatever you want to call it, just raw, and all the noises from those few weeks of noisiness.